Greetings to you. Welcome back to Priceless Technology. If today is your first time coming to this channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share for more content to be uploaded. Today we are going to look at our new voting app, and we are going to look at how we can do the voting as a voter. So first we have to go to our website. So the website is PriceTechVote.com. So once you are here, here's the landing page for now. So we just go to sign in. Then at this side, so the settings or the login method will be determined by your EC or the one in charge, or let's say the association or the club admin. So they can allow you to use your email, your user ID, or your username for the login. But for this tutorials, we are going to use our email. So I will enter my email here, that's student2@gmail.com, and this is just a sample data for this tutorial, but we are working live with our website as well. So we have the organizational code, which is an optional. So in case if you log in and so the system say they cannot find your data, but you know that your data are correct, you can contact your admin who is controlling your system for you, and they will give you a code that you can enter here so that the system goes straight to your association or your club. Better so you can also do that without it, and the system automatically finds your association within this website. So I will enter my password so that we log in. So normally when your admin creates you, it's going to give you a default password that you can use, of which we are going to look at how we will change that password after logging in. So let's log in and see. Excellent. So we are back to this place. This is our dashboard as a student who are going to do the voting. So the first thing is that you have to check your name will be displayed here. So this one will be your full name. Then down here is going to be your index number. So my index number is a PTSTD001, and that's my index number. Let me copy that for something else. And this is the association name, and I'm just using a sample thing. You can actually edit your profile by just clicking here and go to profile, or by using the sidebar here, go to profile here, of which you can change some of your details around here. So you can verify your name, you can add another number, you can add your address, emergency, or you can just skip that for now. But for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do those settings. You can also add your picture as well, but let's focus on today's one. So let's go back to dashboard. So after you have logged in here, the next thing you have to do is that you can change your password if it's your first time logging in. So you go to security here, then you enter the current password. That's the default password that your administrator has sent to you, or your EC. So you enter the default password here, and now you can enter your new password, any password that you want, and it must be, the minimum characters to be 8, and you must have a capital letter, and you must also have a small letter, and then sometimes symbol. It should be very strong. So any password that you want, you enter it here, then you enter it here again. But for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to change my password. Then you just click on update password so that you will change the default password to the password that you are comfortable with. Okay, so right after that, let's go back to our dashboard, and here we are going to look at how we are going to do the voting. So these settings here showing not, there will be a subsequent video that will take us through how we can verify this one. But for the purpose of this video, we are looking at how we are going to do the voting. So straight from here, I'll come back here, and then I can click on go to voting, or I can use my sidebar here. I'll click on voting. So when you come here, it's going to show you your name, your index number again to verify. Then you see the election that is ongoing. So you can see that we have this election that proceeds on the 24th of July 2026. So I'll just click on vote now here. So this is the voting interface here. So we have some settings which are done by your administrator, and in due time you can look at that. You can actually change your theme back. So let's use the light mode for now. So this is the ongoing election, and you can see that for the verification, your ECO admin can change the things that you can use for verification. It could be QR code, it could be OTP via your number or your email. But for this purpose, we are using the student ID. That means when you come here, you just have to enter your student ID, and that's why I copied my student ID. And this is not the only way you can verify. As I said, they can let you verify using your email. That means anytime you come here, you have to verify your email, and OTP will be sent to the email. You enter the code here, then to verify you. Your admin too can give you multiple verification. That means not only the student ID, but after you verify your student ID, you verify your phone, you verify your email, and all depends. But for the purpose of this video, I'm using only the student ID. So this is just a summary of what you are going to do. You can see that we have only 2 positions. Verification method is only 1. Then we have this normal voting, which is yes. And editing, you are doing set this one so that when you vote, you cannot edit. And that's it. So we just click on verify student. The system will now go through the system. Yes, and I've been verified. So after verification, now I'm allowed to start my voting. So I just click on start voting here. So the voting page will open like this. So the first position or portfolio is the president, and I have 2 candidates here. So I'll just select the one I want to vote for. Then I'll go to next. So the next person is the treasurer. The treasurer I can see is only 1. So if I don't want to vote for the treasurer, I can just click on abstain from this position. But if I want to vote, I'll just uncheck this and I'll select the candidates, which is the treasurer. And you can see this is the end of it. So we have step 2 of 2. We can have multiple portfolios, but for the purpose of this video, I choose only 2 portfolios. So once you go through everything, you just go to review ballots. If you don't want to maybe save it, you can just save a draft. That means you can save it, but it will not be recorded. That means later when you come back and confirm. But here you just go straight to review ballots, and it will show you the candidate you've selected. So for president, I choose Linda. For treasurer, I choose Adjoa. Then you come here, then you confirm this that you want to submit it. That's the terms. Then I'll just click on submit ballot here, and by doing that, I have voted for this election. So that's all. So once you are done, you can just take a picture of this one, or you can leave it or download it as a PDF, so that in case if they ask whether you vote or not, yes, you can just send them that PDF showing that in fact you have voted. And that is all. So when you finish, you just click on log out, and that's all. After voting, if they publish the results and you want to go and check the results, you just have to come to sign in here. So sign as a student again. Then enter my email. So I'm entering my password. So you have changed your password. You enter the password, the new password that you set. So I can, when they have published the results, so you see election results here. Then you just have to come to view results. This is not the election that we did, but for the purpose of this tutorial. So when you come here, you can see the official results, and it will show you. So when you come to president, Chris won. When you come to treasurer, this guy also won. This Boatin, Chamaka Boatin. This is not the vote that we did, but this is a previous one. But I'm just showing you how you can check the results, and you can get graph of it, and this shows the results of the election. Thank you very much for today's tutorial, and we hope to see you in our next episode, whereby we take you through some other functions in this beautiful, amazing software that can be used by any club, association, organization for their election. See you in the